Hi guys, welcome to math. Here is our 12-2 today and our solve and share. How can you find out whether the shoe or the pencil is longer without putting them next to each other? What can you use? Circle the longer object and explain how you found out. One more time. How can you find out whether the shoe or the pencil is longer without putting them next to each other? What can you use? Circle the longer object and explain how you found out. Okay, so when I am looking at these two objects, I am looking to see if I can tell, because they are not matched up. The pencil's end's way over here and the shoe end is way over here. And I wonder what I can use to help me find out. So I think today I am going to use a pencil. And I'm going to use a pencil that I know where it is. So I'm going to use the sharpened side of my pencil. And you can see that I'm lining up my pencil with the end of the shoe and to the end of the pencil. And it goes a little bit past the sharpened part. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my with the picture of a pencil. I'm going to line up the sharpened part with the end of my pencil. And this one goes way farther on the white part of the pencil than it did on the shoe. So I am going to circle my pencil because it is longer. And I am going to explain, just like I did right now, that I used another object to compare the sizes. So that is our solve and share for today. Let's go in to our visual learning.
How can you compare objects when they are in different places? You can use one object to compare and find out which object is longer.
Let's find out more.
You could use a string to compare the two pencils. Compare one pencil with the string.
Okay, so if I look at the string and at the pencil, I notice that the string is lined up with the pencil end. If I line those two things up, I can compare them equally. So this pencil goes to about right there on the string.
This pencil is shorter than the string. Compare the other pencil with the same piece of string.
Drag the slider to show comparing the pencils to the string. Use an object such as a string to compare objects. Compare the blue pencil to the string. Compare the red pencil to the string.
This pencil is longer than the string. Is the green string the same length as the green string that was compared to the blue pencil?
Were they the same? Yes, they were the same. The green has not changed.
Yes, the blue pencil is shorter than the string. The red pencil is longer than the string. So the blue pencil is shorter than the red pencil. Now you know how to compare the lengths of two objects by using a third object.
Okay, nice work, guys. We're going to go into our practice page. And if we look, we're going to circle the object that is longer. use the red crayon to help. So we're using the red crayon as the object that we are comparing them against. So if I look at the purple marker and the green marker, and I line them up with the red crayon on each side, which one is longer than the red crayon? The green marker is longer than the red crayon, so I would circle the marker. Now if we look at number 2, we are looking at the feather and the glue stick. So I'm going to line up the ends of my feather to the red crayon and my glue stick to the end of the red crayon. That way I know that it is being compared closely. I can tell that the red crayon is much shorter than the feather, and that the glue stick, or the red crayon is much shorter than the feather, and the glue stick is about the same size as the crayon. Maybe just the glue stick's just a little bit shorter than the crayon. So I would be circling the feather. I would be circling the feather. Now, do you understand? What is the longest object in the picture above? How do you know? So we're looking at these pictures. What is the longest object? Is the blue pencil the longest? Is the string the longest? Or is the red pencil the longest? So if you're looking, you can tell that the blue pencil is shorter than the green string. And the red pencil is longer than the green string. So you can tell by comparing each pencil to the string. Now I am going to be putting our practice pages, both of them, on Seesaw. You can fill them in right on the pages on Seesaw, and you will be able to do all of these by comparing using the lines that are underneath the items. I will see you guys next time. Bye.